So today we are here to have our MMCOE OOP Object Oriented Programming Hackathon 2K21. So why we are taking this competition? It's only to generate idea and only idea. So hackathon provide us a mechanism to develop ideas which can then be implemented. So because of this, we will be starting with this hackathon. So invention, product, innovation, proposal, strategies, and innovation help us to build this project. So this is the group and its a division already discussed and shared with you students. You can check your group A division, group A. So these are the roll numbers, group B, group C, group D, H. So these are all the roll numbers allocated to particular group. And from this group, you can also think about this 101, 105, 107, 106, 154, 117, 121, 164. These are the project leader. Okay, so you have to follow them to execute this program or our projects. So similar way here also the first roll numbers like 135, 136, 163, 171, 153, 166 and 165. These are the team leader or project leader for this project hackathon. Similar here is from the group division B. These are groups from division B. Okay, so already discussed the first roll numbers are the roll numbers. Those we have allocated for the group leader. Okay, and here is the team second divisions, and if the students are remaining, those are not allocated, this will be allocated in a group B O. Okay, so let's start. Let's get hackathon today. Okay, so the rules and regulation I can talk about. The first important thing is the problem statements are given directly as a hospital management system, library management system. So very important is that you have to think what are different features we require in hospital management. So according to that, you have to build a GUI, and the backend you have to use your C++. For if you want to save the data, you use a file handling. So we learn all these concepts in C++ programming. Okay, so some of you ask me what exactly we need to do if the problem statement is different. Smart cookbook, what exactly I need to do here? So you can search. So first is in that which idea you can include it that is having marks. Okay, so first the time you require to prepare this project. Okay, so time duration I have allocated to you from today to 29th of November. So if you are getting 72 hours to complete the project. Okay, so from here 72 hours, what you have to do first? First, the problem statement is a smart cookbook or bank management system. You have to search about the functionality provided by these kind of a systems. Okay, and try to implement that systems. Okay, so here very important is that you have to include all the parameters we learn, okay, from the syllabus. You can also try something extra which is not in the syllabus. Okay, like you have to design a front end. If possible, you can design a front end, so it will be having a 5 marks for a GUI. Okay, 20 marks for your implementation. So here you get 25 marks. For attempt you will be getting 5 marks, so it is now 30 marks. Okay, and I think it's a 30 marks, and 20 marks are given for your video presentation, how you prepare your video. Okay, so it is in video, it should be like it should be implemented. Okay, so from the beginning to end you have to explain your code and with the project implementation. So you have to think about your project team members. Okay, so the member who is the first one, his responsibility is communicate with the other members, take their help, discuss with them, arrange a Google Meet. Okay, anything you can arrange on Zoom Meet or Google Meet, discuss with them how you can solve that. Okay, which parameters you can include, which parameter you don't want to include. And it's very important that a time which help you to complete your task. Okay, so how much time you require, that is very important. So this is the problem statement from group B. This is from the group B, A, B, C, D. Okay, these are the second group. Then here we have the third group. So like this we have different problem statement. So first important what we understand from here, whenever we start this hackathon, first you have to be work in a group. Second, you have to generate an idea. Third, you have to implement a code in a C++ only. And fourth, it is very important, try to finish early. Okay. So with this, let's begin. Congratulate to all the team members who participates and all the best to all. Okay. Try to work in a team. Try to finish on a time. Okay. So with this, I stop now. Thank you. And and similar way with the same platform on our YouTube channel, we discuss about the winners. Okay, and why they are the winners. Thank you.